So now we're gonna work into the calf. Holly's gonna grab the PSO-RITE, she's gonna put both peaks onto the calf, and she's gonna use her other leg to apply weight. Now when she's in this position here, she's gonna rotate her bottom foot in circles, forward and backwards. That'll help get into this calf a little bit more. And then we can actually be able to switch over into the other leg. We'll use one peak, and she's gonna use her hands and she's gonna cradle that leg and be able to apply pressure that way. So she'll start up at the higher part of the calf. She'll put both of her hands onto the top part of the calf, and then she's gonna move her foot. She's gonna pull her toes back, push them forward, shift them, and you'll find those tender spots. And make sure that you breathe through it once you find that tender spot. Once it starts to melt, move to another area and repeat.